Shepherd's warning. Look at that, beautiful. Yeah, the squawking of the pheasants. Oh, I love mornings like this. Even though it may be bad luck, we'll see. So we're beet lifting again today. This is the last sort of big chunk amongst beautiful skies. Look at that. Quite moody. So my windscreen's filthy in this. The wipers are rubbish. So there we are. That's 70 odd acre here. So we'll have a couple of days. We'll fit this in around potato packing. Oh, I'll zoom in so you can see a bit more. Mud on the road sign ready, but this is as dry as it's been in a while, so just keen to exploit it a bit. If a pan round. This was once a farmyard, hard to believe now, hard to imagine now. Where my sister-in-law's house is there. That was corn bins and some what do you call them, little trailer things, carts. Yeah, hard to imagine now. I kind of wonder whether our farm will look like this in 30 years now.
Two to your right will be your century drill. So if you take, so if you work from that way,
yeah.
If you're going down this way, if you take 1, 2, your third one will be your tram line, and then you've got 3 more there. And that's how I work it out. That speeds it up and slows it down.
Yeah.
When you start off, it wants to be there.
Yeah.
Flick that across. That'll put your elevator in gear, and then just gradually turn that up to about 3 o'clock. Let the main tank empty, and then flick that one up to the middle position, and that'll put the back chain in gear.
So this week we're loading out for the power station. They're having 300 or 400 tonne this week. That's our sort of December allocation. Just cleaning a bit of yard for the brusher. This is hardcore here. And keeping this, well, all the straw debris mixes with water and makes mud. I'd love to concrete it, but not going to happen. Yep, low 4 at a time. Quite quick loading really. These are quite weird trailers because the back axle steers. Back axle steers. So it defies logic when you look at it, but the drivers say they got on really well with them. A few more wind casualties than I wanted. only one, but I've got some really rubbish socks on today. So annoying. I was back in Nevada in for winter, or for Christmas, until we run it again. I've only got a little bit of sugar beet land to drill now. The sky looks ever so moody out there. It's a bit Harry Potter, isn't it? And I better watch him in. So what's all this about? So since Brexit, we have to have these checked by DEFRA to export into Ireland, and these are all destined for Ireland once Holyhead's open. That's why we're normally busy this week, but it's not busy because Holyhead port's shut, so we can't get any lorries to and from Ireland. So these have just been inspected and signed off, and they open some bags and check for soil. Not allowed to look for soil, never had one fail. But the DEFRA inspector will give the middleman a certificate to say they're all okay to get them into Ireland. And that'll be emailed. But I've got 20 of these bags to join up with the old traditional wire tyre and thing. It's just so much faff to get it back towards the stitcher. So I can join these back up, put them back on the pallet, keep myself fit, and all's well. Bit of a puddle there, not a good sign. But we did have 27 mil of rain, and here's my view from the seat. Just trying to leave a bit of green on. This middle one seems to be topping a bit harder, but yeah. Good day. It's a few days before Christmas. I've just taken the opportunity while it's drying off a bit, or while it's a bit drier and it's nearly walkable with these slippers. I'm just going to get a few loads out. Once it get opened up, it'll travel a lot better. That's the nice thing about having access to a machinery. Granted, it's shared. Yeah, look at Abby and Harry here. They'll come alongside in a minute. We'll get some loads on. So just a day after the shortest day, I think. Monday? Don't know. Got Paul over there cleaning the road. Yeah, it's travelling quite well, except the bit near the bridge, which is horrific. But I guess we're not going to have a long day today. So how does a beet lifter lift the beet anyway? Well, so you've got the topper, which defoliates to say this high, and then the scalpers finish it off, and they're like a knife which chop through like that. And then vibrating shares shimmy either side of the beet and just tease it out, and it just pops out. You can get other arrangements like opal wheels or disc and share, but this machine is fitted with vibrating shares, which is quite nice. So these are the feelers, a bit like cat's whiskers, and they steer it into the row and keep it all on the straight and narrow. Take the skill off the operator a bit. And then in here, we've got the flail, which gets rid of the bulk of the organic matter, and the depth wheels are just take the weight and get it scouted to get it flailed roughly at the right height. Got the leaf spreader to sort of dissipate it and spread it all evenly. This can mulch head as well, but I don't know how to do that. This bit, here. Here's the knives, and they lift up and down and jiffle over every beet. And then here we've got the wheel, which takes a bit of the stabilises the front of the machine a bit and takes a bit of weight. And these rubber flaps which are just teasing round tease the beet off the shares, which are trembling, and they sort of go and tremble the beet onto these turbines. So here's kind of a view into the outer 6, 5 and 4 vibrating shares. You can see the arrangement there, and these are just capture bars to keep it in line and direct any, because it tends to boil out there a bit, so the turbine can catch them. You can just see the rubber paddles which are just teasing away in the hydraulic back pressure, and they keep the flow going in. This is the start of the gathering and cleaning. So these two front ones work as a tag team. You get the beets deflected onto the 4 turbines, or maybe they're really counted in the wheels. Four turbines. So these 2 turbines clean it, and then get it between the wheels into these 2 turbines on the back, which finally slip it onto the ring elevator. Carry the beet up into the tank, where there's a dissipating auger or Archimedes screw, which spread it amongst the tank. It's full now. It looks like a bit more, but it'll just take it over the top and it donks on the cab roof.